Welcome back to StickMATH. Today, we have a classic-looking equation that confuses thousands of students. 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 1. At first glance, you might be tempted to just add the bases and say it's 9 to the power of x, or add the exponents and say it's 3 to the power of 3x. But wait, both of these are common traps, and they're completely wrong. Think of it this way. If you have an apple plus an apple plus an apple, what do you get? You have 3 apples. We apply the exact same logic here. Since we are adding 3 to the x to itself 3 times, we can rewrite the left side as 3 times 3 to the x. Now the equation looks much more manageable. 3 times 3 to the x equals 1. Let's apply the laws of exponents. We know that any number without a visible exponent actually has an invisible power of 1. So our first 3 is actually 3 to the power of 1. When we multiply numbers with the same base, the rule is simple. We keep the base and add their exponents together. This gives us 3 to the power of x plus 1. On the right side of the equation, we have 1. To solve for x, we need to have the same base on both sides. Remember a fundamental math rule. Any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we can replace the 1 with 3 to the power of 0. Now that our bases are identical, both are 3, we can simply ignore them and set the exponents equal to each other. This leads us to x plus 1 equals 0. Now just subtract 1 from both sides, and there we have it. Our unique real solution is x equals -1. No complex calculator needed, just pure logical steps. If you want to master these types of math challenges, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for StickMATH. See you in the next video.